Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and this is a look at Eileen Hull's new collection, Book Club Chapter 2. Book Club by Eileen Hull continues the popularity of her journaling and book die designs. So Eileen has designed a brand new journal for this collection that is called a wraparound journal, and you can see that it's actually quite extended. It's a little bit longer than her normal one. Gives you the chance to wrap it around and either close it with a magnet or close it with a wraparound string. The way to bind it is very simple. With these holes punched in the die, you're able to actually put a little elastic and put these little page inserts, so you don't need to even sew or adhere anything. This works as a great base for all of the other designs in her collection. She has some journaling cards that of course are sized to fit right inside of her notebook, and these give you the chance to cut out little heart shapes or to create solid shapes and embellish them further for your notebook. She also has this selection of phrases: prayers, travel, journal, love, wander, all the phrases that you need to kind of compose something in your journal. This is a really cool design. It's a credit card sleeve. So what it is, it's a Thinlit design that has these slots built into it. So you're able to actually insert little pieces of paper, little note cards, even an ID if you needed to, and of course adhere that into your wraparound journal. And then she has two movers and shaper dies that work with the wraparound journal. The first one gives you this nice little edge to give you a unique shape. And then this last one, if you can see, these little flowers have been cut out as a negative shape on the edge of her travel journal. So again, she continues her success with notebooks and journaling and really gives a nice complete system to build up your own journal at home.